Hi, Mom and Sir. My name is Lordelisa Delena Torres and I am 42 years old. I'm married, mother of two. My daughter was 23 years old and my son is 15 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I'm attending vocational course so that I know how to prepare and giving some first aid to any emergency situation. I have a working experience in Singapore and Hong Kong. In Singapore, I served 8 members of the family, including my mom and sir, their siblings, parents, and 2 children. My previous experience in Hong Kong, serving 3 members of the family, my mom and sir, and their daughter. My working experience of them, I helping her to waking up in the morning, giving some breakfast, preparing the uniforms, bags, water bottle, and umbrella. I sending her to school. I doing the house chores and manage the time to everyday routine. I cook some lunch for my mom, taking pets, 2 dogs and 1 cat, and do the car washing. In the afternoon, I pick up her from the school with playing and tutoring. To my previous employers, I am reliable, trustworthy, and polite person. If you hired me, Mom, Sir, I will do my best. I will treat your children like my own children too. I am very thankful and I do my best as to serve your family. God bless Mom and Sir and thank you.